Hey y'all, I'm John out here with Landmark Roofing again. We're doing another build. We're using our catch-all system again to help keep our site nice and clean, help not burn out any of the grass because of the small holes that are through the tarping system as well. You know, if you're coming by through this neighborhood and you come by one of our builds, please come up, take a picture of one of our QR codes and sign up for a free inspection. You might be eligible for a new roof through your insurance company as well.